Hey, all right, what's going on? I'm not on the right thing to be showing you that. Happy Friday. It is Friday, 4/11. Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Eric, I did not get to call you. I'm sorry. I will try and do it today after my interview if you're on here. Now that we're all set up, ready to go, what do you know? Hello, welcome in. Queen, what's happening? Good morning, Can Spam. Hello, good afternoon, whatever. Do you have any codes for Apex? You can always use Swag Show. It's going to give you the best deal that they have going on at the time. But I don't know if they have any sales going on right now. But you can always use my code Swag Show at checkout to get the best deal that they have going on. Welcome in. Happy Freaky Fast Fun Friday. What do we got? Early, 1 for 1, 225. Gold, 1 for 1 for 500. ES new, 2 for 2 on a loss. NQ later, 1 for 1 for 500. NQ new, 2 for 2 for 700. And silver, 1250. So I wonder if ES new is a no on Friday. Or if I'm even on the right thing. They took MES new. Yeah, so it's on there, but it's on micro, so you would have lost twice on that. Anyway, but you would have won on the rest of it. How much are the BoldBot alerts per month? So it's $100 for the first week, and then it's $500 a month after that. And today I've already given out a 60-point move and a 35-point move. I've given out 95 points worth of moves today. Was NQ new 2 for 2? Yes. Yes, it was. 700 bucks, 350 a win on one mini. I forgot the prices increased, and I had a margin that was not covered. Oh boy, that's all right. On my cash account, I forgot they increased the amount. Yeah, 95 points so far worth of alerts today. Yesterday, I don't even know, it was 200 some points I gave out on the alerts channel. So it's definitely worth it if you're a full time trader and you want access to the premium alert. Just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Somebody will get back with you quick, fast, and in a hurry. We've got absolutely nothing in a trade right now to watch, but we could talk about it. NQ Day Waves is actually green 1985. Other than that, nothing else in a trade to even watch. How's everybody? What's planned for the weekend on this fantastic, freaky, fast, fun Friday? Anybody doing anything exciting? Think I'm going to go to the fish fry tonight with my boys and my mama. And yeah, got baseball for the oldest in the morning, tomorrow morning, bright and early. Keep tapping that screen. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows. $250 for the box seats algorithms for the first 2 weeks. $1,000 a month after that. If you want more information, email me boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Looking for a pullback. Here we go. See if we get in this trade on the premium alerts. Almost. It was so close. It came within a tick. 2 points it came within. We'll see if it gets into it. Come on down to South Park and meet some friends of mine. In long. Here we go. Plus 5 points. We're in a long on NQ. On the premium alerts. Keep tapping that screen if you're following along at home. There's 7 points. There's 9 points. There's 10 points. Quick $200 right there for you. There's 13 points. There's 16. There's 17. What's the win rate with the bot? It depends on what strategy you're talking about. Like I said, there's some of them that have a 92% win rate. Others have like a 58% win rate, but they're all profitable if we are telling you to run them. In the long run, if we say that you should run them, they're going to be profitable overall in the long run. So it doesn't really matter what the win rate is as long as it's profitable overall. But yeah. All right. Don't come in here with the spam stuff. I don't come to your channel and spam you. Plus 15 points now on this NQ long on the premium alert channel that I gave out. If you're following along at home, congratulations. There's 20 plus 20 points. 25 points. Stop loss is moved up now into green. Green. Green, 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 green. All right. 25 points right there. High water mark on that trade. So that's 85 plus 35. That's 110. 120 points on the day given on the premium alerts. You're welcome. You can send me Zelly, PayPal, Cash App, whatever. Spread the wealth. I'm giving you the knowledge. Dream, 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 dream. Somebody got 15 points, it looks like, out of it. Who was that? Breezy? There you go, Breezy. Good job, girl. You could get these premium alerts I'm talking about right now for $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. I just gave you a 25-point move, which basically is $500. You could have paid for your whole month off of that one trade on one mini contract. Freaky Fast Fun Friday. How's everybody doing? What's going on? Keep tapping that screen. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me on this fantastic Freaky Fast Fun Friday, full of money, hopefully in your pocket. Yeah, no problem, man. Do. Nothing in the trade right now to show you. So we're just waiting on this premium alert that I gave in the group here to see if it gets into another trade. Need a little pullback here. $117 kind of slow. Kind of slow here. All right, we're in the long again here. Well, this might pull back farther than I expected here. Might need to move it down to 50. Okay, if this is going to come all the way back down here, we'll put it all the way back down here. Nothing in the trade to show you, but I am giving out these premium alerts in the premium alert channel. What do you think with a cash account using bot? Yeah, it's perfectly fine. I would say you need at least $3,000 to start on micros. But yeah, I would say use a cash account, build your cash account up, put some of it in your pocket, build your buffer on your cash account, and use the rest to get prop firm accounts. Win, welcome in. Good afternoon. Back above this 700 now. Come on back down here. We'll see if it holds this 600 level. If it can come on back down, get into another long here. No algorithms in a trade except for prop. Let me see if I can pull that up. And that's out of it that quick. Quick 200 bucks on prop, up 1275 on the day. Up 1275 on the day on NQ props, one of the premium strategy algorithms. We're green 225 on NQ early. Box seats gold 1 for 500. Box seats NQ later 1 for 500. Box seats NQ new 2 for 700, and box seats silver 1 for 1250. All those on one mini contract. Also NQ day waves green 1985 on the day on one mini contract. Got about 20 minutes left in the stream today and the week. I hope everybody has had a fantastic week. I hope you've made lots of money. I hope you've swagged. I hope you set yourself up for success. Discipline, write out a plan, stick with your plan, stick to your goals each day, and you'll be okay. You don't plan to fail, you fail to plan, right? Nobody plans to fail, they just fail to plan. 50K or 150K, which one is better to get? It really depends on how much time you have to build up your buffer before you need to take a withdrawal, honestly. That's the best way I can say that. If you need the money quicker and you want to see a quicker return on investment, but at a smaller size, then go with the 50K. But if you have time and you want to be patient and build up a nice size buffer and be able to size your trades up and make a little bit more each day, then go with the 150. That's the best way I can put that. Some people need the money quicker than others. Other people are okay with just taking it slow and building up the buffer required before you can take a withdrawal. So if you're one of those people, go with the bigger account. Isabel H., welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. If you guys haven't followed me over on the Purple app, please do that. I'd appreciate that as well. I need to get like 50 followers, and I need somebody to go over there and watch it for a few hours so I can get affiliated over on the Purple app. Hey, Jen scammed me. What should I do? What do you mean she scammed you? Tuck. What are you talking about? What do you mean Jen scammed you? Nobody's on here to scam anybody. Well, you paid the wrong person $10,000 then. Because Jen doesn't accept money from people on TikTok. Are you sure it was the real Jen? Because what email or who did you send money to? There's a lot of fake people out there impersonating the BoldBot people, so you got to be careful. We will never just reach out to you and message you. But, yeah, let me see if I can get in here. But yeah, we don't ask for anybody to send us any money, especially through TikTok. We send you valid links to sign up for the algorithms. So whoever did that to you, I'm sorry, but you probably got scammed, buddy. You should get a hold of TikTok or however you paid that person and stop that payment. Mrs. M, welcome in. Good afternoon. How are you? You got to be careful with who you're sending money to and how you're sending money to people, but we do not ask you for any type of payment. If you want to join the group, we send you a PayPal link, but I don't know why you would send somebody 10K without verifying who it is. I apologize for you not doing that, but I don't know what to tell you, buddy. I'm sorry. At 1:30. Okay, at 1:30. Anything today? Not really. I've given out, Bobby. I've given out a lot of good alerts. There's 25 points, there's 60 points, there's 35 points, and 20 points. And I've taken 2 losses, I think. So I'm like 4 out of 6 today on the premium alerts. Say thank you to Gary. Okay, thank you, Gary. What am I thanking you for? Are you sending me 10K? If you send me 10K, I'll say thank you all day long. In long, there's a quick plus 10 points. Quick plus 10 points on this long I gave out in the group. There's plus 15. There's 20. There's 25. There's 26. There's 30. If you don't think I know what I'm doing, I don't. But I'm giving out fire alerts today, folks. Long from 18604. That was a quick 30 points that we just popped up. There's 36 points. There's 30. There's 38 points. 39 points. 42 points. And stopped. Plus 40 points on that alert right there. That's $800 for those of you following along at home. You could have just made on the premium alerts that only cost $100 for the first week to try it out. $500 a month after that. I just gave you one trade right there that would have made you $800 on one mini contract. $800 right there you could have just made if you had the premium alerts. Mark, what's happening? Good afternoon. I hope you grabbed that alert. I'm like, what am I, 4 out of 7 today, maybe? 5 out of 7? I don't remember. Oh, good job, Mark. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm glad somebody got some of this premium alert and made some money. So just so you know, I moved the premium alert, since this is such a volatile market, to a 30-point stop loss. And then it kicks in at 20 points with a trailing stop loss. And it moves every 5 points or something. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it moves every 5 points. But anyway, I'm glad you made some money. I wish I would have realized that the cash count was on a higher margin today. I didn't realize it was, but oh yeah. We'll see if this holds at the 600 level. It looks like it's trying to, so it might. You could have went long again from 600, honestly, or right around it, right around the PP 606, right around there. You could have went long from there, and you're up 36, 40 to 40 points right now, depending on when you got in it. This is part of the stuff you learn too from the digital mentorship. If you want to learn how to manually trade, Lauren does offer a digital mentorship where she teaches you how to manually trade. You get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, along with some other key levels. And then you can start trading and make $100 a day. That's $2K a month. And then you multiply that by the amount of accounts you have, and things really start to add up and get fun after that. Then once you start building your buffer, you can start living off of it. Just saying. But you got to go slow in the beginning. Just like any job, you got to start from the bottom and work your way up. Even on micros, you can make a lot of money. Look at that. Look at that bounce off that 600 all the way up 77 points above that 600. If you went long and you stayed in it, congratulations. You're up 90 points, almost 100 points. 92 points from the 600 where you could have went long from. I gave it out in the group. Depending on where your stop loss is and how far you trail it behind. But congratulations to those that did take it. Let me see those results. I got a phone interview this afternoon to get my old job back. We'll see if they hire me back on here. They're going to have to pay me more. They're going to have to pay me more than they were. But we'll see what happens. All the way back up above 700 there. So you can see that's a 100-point move in less than 5 minutes. This market is moving and grooving. Tommy Toodles, welcome back. How you been? Happy afternoon. Happy Friday. Fantastic, freaking fast, fun Friday. I'm going to be cutting it short around 1:45 here. Got to get ready for my phone interview. Grab something to eat. But that's 150 points almost it's moved in this 5-minute candle. So I hope you got some of it. I hope you made your money. I hope you had a great week. It is Friday. How'd everybody do? Did you have a good week? Did you stick to your goals? Did you make your money? Boy, oh boy, what a move. What a move. 150 point, 175 point move right now. Trying to break above this 875 level and see if it can get above this 800 level. Just a little stair step all the way back down to the PP and it bounced 178, 187 points. Crazy. This market's crazy. I hope you're in it the right way. NQ Day Waves is in another trade here. Green $1,000. Let's show you that real quick. This is NQ Day Waves. It was green 1,000. Oh my goodness. And then it just tanked it right back down. That was quick. That was a violent move back down. Sellers must be sitting right up there at that 18,800 level. Because it touched it and boy, it just shot it back down real quick. That's why learning your levels is so important. Knowing where everybody's sitting at and taking your profit when you can. Holy Toledo, that was violent. That was a violent rejection off that 18,800 level. All right. Nothing in a trade right now to show you. Not any. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Clicked it too big. That's quite a move up. We're up and over this 800 now. We could hold above it. I'm done giving alerts for the day. I've done enough. No more alerts. 40 points. All right, so let's count them. Let's go back to today and let's count today. Okay. I had one to go short at 18,459. That was a loss. Then we had a win at long at 510 for 20 points. And then a long at 445 for 35 points. So that's 55 in the green. Then a 60-pointer, that's 115 points in the green. And then a loss. And then a 25-point win. And then a loss. And then a 40-point win. So that's like 4 out of 7. 4 wins, 3 losses, 100 and... I don't know how many points. 40, 25 is 65. Plus 60 is 125. Plus 35 is 160. Plus 20 is 185. So 185 points worth of profit today. Minus the 3 losses, depending on whatever your stop loss is at. If it's 30 points, you're still green. 95 points on the day. 95 points on the day on the premium alerts, even with the 3 losses. So If you want more information about the box seats algorithms, email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. If you want information about the premium alerts or the premium algorithms or the digital mentorship, email Lauren at BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Either way, we'll get you hooked up. But I hope everybody has a great weekend. New tariffs news when? Right now? Or just now? That's why that big move up. What is your ATM? I missed it when you said it. Your trail kicks in at 20 but didn't hear. Yeah, so right now I've got it set on the alerts for 30-point stop loss, and then it kicks in a trail once it's 20 points in a profit. And for every 5 points it moves up, it moves the trail up. And I follow it 15 points behind where the price is at, if that makes sense. So, oh, just now, hence the move up. I got you. Yeah, I don't watch the news, so I don't know, but I guess I should, right? Because it's pretty much easy to play if you're listening to the news and he says something good, and then the market's going to react to it. But all right, we're going to end it on YouTube. Thank you for being there over there.